Everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be making flatbread. If this is your first time in my channel, kindly consider subscribing. So let's get started. Here I'll be adding 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of yeast, 1/8 cup of sugar. Gently mix it together. Then I'll add 1/8 teaspoon of salt, 1/3 cup of milk, and half cup of water. Then I'll mix it to form a shaggy dough. Use my clean palm to knead it till the dough comes together. This is fine. Now add 1/8 cup of olive oil. Knead it till the dough becomes smooth and elastic. Then I'll place it in a clean bowl. Oil it a little bit so it doesn't stick to the bowl. Then I'll cover with a tea towel and let it rise for about 30 to 45 minutes. Wow, this is fine. Now I'll punch it down, knock out the air. Place it on my workstation. Gently knead it together. Okay. Now I'll cut the dough into 10 pieces. Take a piece, press it down to knock out the air. Use my rolling pin to flatten it to about 10 to 13 centimeters. Now place it in a hot skillet using very low heat and let it cook for about 4 to 5 minutes on both sides. This is fine. I'll repeat the same process for the remaining. Here I'm done. I'll gently brush my flatbread with melted butter. And sprinkle parsley on it, and we're done. Thank you for watching and do have a wonderful week. Bye.